Hey guys, how's it going? Mr. Mind Games here. I'm going to be showing you how to make a Minecraft Bukkit server. It's really easy. All you have to do is, well, the things I'm going to be showing you. And I'm also going to show you how to install a plugin for future use. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is go to the first link in the description. And it will probably be, well, one I don't have up at the moment, but it will probably be something like I think it was this one. Let's see if it's this one. Yes, it'll be something like this one, and you'll want to click this or whatever operating system you're on and download that. Then you're gonna want to download this and put them in one folder, put them both in one folder together, and then you're gonna want to start this up. And what it will do is, mine's already created and everything, but it will start creating all the different worlds and stuff like that. Well, after all this stuff pops up, you're gonna want to close that. If you don't already have Hamachi, I'll put a link in the description for it, but when that's done installing and everything, if you don't have it, you're going to want to go create your own network. I already have one created, but all you have to do is create a new network, type in username, or network ID and password. That will be for people to join your network so they can play your server. And then what you're going to want to do is go to the server properties. You want to right click it, you want to go open with, and then Notepad or just any other one you can open it with, like Notepad++ and stuff like that. Server IP, you can put down your Hamachi IP, which is right there, and mine is 5.100.38.243, and then this is the name of your world. I should just leave that. If you want nether in your world, true or false. True if you do, false if you don't. Spawn monsters, yes or no. Just because I'm doing this tutorial, I'm just going to say no. Online mode, this is if you bought the game or not. But if you bought the game, you just leave it as true. Spawn animals, there's pretty decent. Max players, I would keep it at about 20, or else it's going to lag unless you have a better computer. PvP, yes or no. You're going to want to leave that. Allow flight, I'm just going to put mine as true. That lets you to fly if you get a plugin. And then the whitelist will have a specific list that will only let you have specific people in your server. So let's close out of that, press save, start it back up again, and wait until all this loads. And sometimes, usually takes this long, but now while it's loading, let's go to the Bukkit website. Let's go to type in up here essentials, and you will probably get something. Find one that says essentials v2.5.7, a collection of use commands and features. I'll just put this one in the website, or sorry, in the description. But you're going to want to download it. I already have it downloaded, but this is probably the one you're going to want to do. So after that's done downloading, still waiting for that to load up, you go here, you open up this with all the jar files, make sure you have your right Java, go to plugins, copy all that in the plugins, go like that, and you go, once this is done loading, you reload, and it will reload all your plugins, and it will get all the folders set up. So while that's loading, and there we go. Now that's done loading, let's see, there will be all this, and let's see what's going to the other one, and there'll be this. Okay, so I'll go into the game and be with you there. Okay, go to multiplayer, then you're going to want to type in your Hamachi IP there. I already have mine typed in. Let's go connect, and while it's logging in, it's going to wait for that to finish, and there we go. it finished, and just let it load up for a minute. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use the Essentials plugin that we put into our server. So let's type in t/help, and that will be the first page. Then let's go /help 2, second page, help 3, and then help 4, and there's 4 pages. And if you keep on adding more plugins, that they should have commands to it, and this will just get automatically added to it. So how you make yourself the op of your server, like the OP or admin or GM or whatever you want to call it, you go into the .bat file, that like the server starter. You go OP space funman, or your username, and mine's funman300, and there, I am now up, and now I can use pretty much any command that it will give me. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll have another video up on how to add the Sky World to your single player, which was probably gonna be up either end of this week or sometime late next week. Okay, thanks, bye.